Okay, so here are the settings. The values are unnecessarily large. This is just for the purposes of demonstration right here. The machine will move down, come into contact with the initial height control sensor, move up by 10. This is going to be the ignition height. It will wait until the arc sensor is activated right here. Move up to 30, which is the pierce height. We'll wait for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, it will move down to our cutting height to 15 and begin the cutting. We can start from, let's say, this part right here. Alright. Play. It's moving down, comes into contact, goes back up. Now it's waiting for the arc sensor. It's right here. It's moving up. It's going to be waiting for 10 seconds. And now it's moving down to the cutting height, and it's starting to move.